welcome to a new great day of home learning. I'm going to be going through some of the maths that you are going to do today, set by myself and Miss McAllister. Okay, so just to warm ourselves up for the day, I wanted to have a look at some numerals and have a look at what makes our numbers, in particular our teen numbers. So this is the number 14. The numerals in 14 are 1 and 4. 1 and 4 together make the number 14. Now, if we have a little look at what that means in tens and units, it means that there is 1 10 in 14 and there are 4 units. Let's have another look at that. 14 is made up of 1 10 and 4 units. Let's try that one together. 14 is made up of 1 10 and 4 units. And together, 1 and 4, 1 10 and 4 units make the number 14. Let's see if we can have a go at the next one. This number is, you're right, it is 18. Now, 18 has two numerals. It has the number 1 and the number 8. And together, those numbers make the number 18. Let's have a look at the tens and units that are in 18. There is 1 10, you're absolutely right, and there is 8 units. That's 1 10 and 8 units. 1 10 and 8 units together makes 18. Let's have a look at the next one. This number is, well done, this number is, you're right, this teen number is 17. That has 1 10 and 7 units this time. Units is another way of saying ones. So if we change that language a bit, we can say 1 10 and 7 ones. 1 10 and 7 units. Units and ones mean the same thing. 1 10 and 7 units makes 17. Superstars, give yourself a fantastic. Well done. This one is 19. A 1 and a 9. Let's double check and see how many 10s and 1s it has in it. Yeah, absolutely. That is 1 10 and 9 units. Can you remember another way of saying units? You're right, ones. 1 10 and 9 units or 9 ones. Well done. Oh goodness, this one's a tricky one. Let's see if you can do this one. This is not quite the same as the others. Let's see if we can have a little closer look at it. What is this number? You're right, it is 20. Let's have a look at the tens and units this time. This one has 2 10s. Not the same as before. This one has 2 10s and 0 units. It has 2 10s. So this time, when we look at it with our deans, this is what 20 looks like. It has 2 10s in it. Well done for warming your brains up, and well done for recognising all the units and all the 10s that we had a look at today. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Good job, okay? Now, I'm going to talk you through what our learning is for today. We are doing comparing numbers this time. Yesterday, we had a look at comparing groups of objects, and we decided if there was more than, less than, or equal to, we decided to compare the groups and see which one was bigger or smaller, or whether they were the same. Now today, we are doing something similar, except we're not comparing objects this time. We're comparing numbers, the numerals this time. Let's recap on some of our language. This one is more than. It means bigger than. That's going to be the one that is the biggest. Let's have a look at this one. This is less than. It is smaller. This one would mean that the group is smaller than, or the number is smaller than. Oh, I wonder if anyone can remember this one. Let's see if you can read it. It's equal to. That means that they are the same. They are equal. So the numbers would be the same, or the amount would be the same, the groups, the objects in the group. So we have more than, less than, and equal to. There are 3 things that we need to remember for our vocabulary today. Let's have a look at some of our numbers then. We have number 1. I'll pop that one there. I think I'm going to make it hard for you. 15. I've got 1 and I have 15. Oh, I know that one's a small number because that one comes first on my number line after 0. That one's definitely a small number. Let's have a look at this one. There's 1 10 in this one and there's 5 units. That means it's got to be bigger than that number. Let me have a look at my number line just to check. 1 is here and 15 is all the way over here. That must mean that 15 is the biggest number. It is the bigger one. Let's have a look. That means that 1 has to be the smallest. It is less than. 1 is smaller than 15. 15 is definitely bigger. Let's have a look. Let's read it like we would read a sentence in a book. 1 is less than 15. Let's read it again. 1 is less than 15. 1 is definitely less than 15. It is much smaller, isn't it? Give yourselves a teeny tiny clap if you got that one. Let's have a look at 2 more numbers before we go today. Oh, yes, I'm going to try this one. Wow, let's have a look. These are both teen numbers. This one has 1 10 and 8 units. This one has 1 10 and 4 units. 18 and 14. 18 and 14. I think 18 is bigger than 14. Let me have a look on my number line. There's 18, all the way at the end here, and here's 14. 14 is lower down, which means it is less than. 18 is bigger than 14. 18 is bigger than 14. It is more than. Let's read it like we would read a sentence in our book. 18 is more than 14. It is bigger than. 18 is more than 14. Well done if you got that right. Now, we've had a little practice at that today. We've got lots of activities for you to try on your sheets. See if you can have a go at deciding which numbers are more than, less than, or equal to. Have a go. We know you can do it. Well done, you guys.